Hi, it's Miss S, and this video is for sopranos and altos, measure 5 through measure 20 of Confitemini Domino. Sopranos, altos, please be thinking of these three things while you are listening and singing along. First, vowel shapes, always. And second, how the consonants in this first part are very soft and are used as a springboard into the vowel shapes. And three, those dynamics, very soft building dynamics as we sing through repetitive lyrics. We don't want anything to just sound the same from one repetition to the next. Okay? Thinking of those three things? Take it away. All right, so here we go. Here's our starting pitch. 1, 2, 3. Confitemini Domino. Confitemini Domino. Quoniam bonus. Quoniam manus. Confitemini Domino. Confitemini